Can I start? Already I started. Okay, guys. Simple. I will try to finish very simple. Okay, logical volume manager. This is my physical machine. So first of all, I'm going to my physical machine. Power. So it is first power off. It will take time to power off. So meanwhile, okay. So we'll start. Guys, look at here. LVM is usually like a ride only. You can combine multiple disks together and create a single large volume group. Okay, here remember each one is a physical volume. Each one is a physical volume. Each hard disk is a physical volume. Okay. So how many hard disks you are using? So that first we have to tell them you are a physical volume. You have to tell that one as a physical volume. Next, we can group these physical volumes together. We can group these physical volumes together and we can create volume group. Volume group. Volume group. We create a volume group. For example, each volume size, each physical volume size is, for example, this is 1 terabyte. Okay, this is 1 terabyte. Okay, and this is, for example, 2 terabyte. You can take less, more kind of stuff. The volume group size is okay, 4 terabytes. So combination of physical volumes is volume group. Next. For example, someone is asking, I need a something 100 GB hard disk. Okay, I need a 100 GB hard disk. So what you will do, we'll create a 100 GB hard disk in this volume group. In the volume group, you create a 100 GB hard disk. Okay. Okay. And give it to the customer. Okay. This is this we call it as a logical volume. Logical volume. So logical volume, I created 100 GB. Like this, multiple logical volumes you can able to create it. Multiple logical volumes you can able to create it. Okay. So again, physical volumes. Is it shut down or not? Yeah. Guys, for this practical, we need a more hard disk. Okay. So for that one, what I'm going to do is I'm adding a multiple hard disk, SCSI. Okay. I am putting a 100 GB, 200 GB, no problem. Even in physically, you don't have a space, still no problem. Why? Because of there are dynamically expanding disks, so they don't take a space in a one single shot. equal, unequal, you can able to take it, no problem. But I'm taking all are 100 GBs only. I don't use all, I will use only 2. Okay, so added, so I started. Okay, so I added a 3 hard disks physically. Okay, the first one is we need a minimum more than 1 hard disk. Empty hard disk is required. If you are unable to add it, also no problem. For practicing, you can use your volumes also. Okay. Okay. Ninth batch I given that second type of practical and LVM also I done, but here I taken 3. Again, guys, remember physical volume means your physical hard disk. Okay. Your physical. Don't ask us this is a virtual hard disk. No, it's a physical hard disk means physical disk. It is a disk, single disk. Okay. What is a volume group? What is volume group? Volume group is a combination of physical volumes. Okay. Next, logical volume. Logical volume is part of volume group used to store data. Store data. Okay, its original volume is that one only. Okay. Next, guys, there is a PV. PV means physical volume. Okay, remember physical volume. VG means okay volume group. LV means logical volume. All commands are very easy, guys. I'm not going to in depth of this kind of stuff also means. So to create physical volume, command is pvcreate. Okay. Next, to create volume group is vgcreate. Vgcreate. Okay, with the physical volume name you have to give. Okay, vgcreate. To extend volume group, vgextend. Vgextend. Okay. Next, to create logical lvcreate. Lvcreate. Okay. Next, display commands also there. Display is also there. Like pvs, pvdisplay. 2 commands. vgs, sorry, vgs, vgdisplay. Okay. lvdisplay. Both are commands only. Okay, display commands. Okay, to see the things. Of course, remaining is partitioning and all. We'll do it. Okay. So yeah, this is the concept, guys. So we'll see. Yeah, it is gone and restart the session. So login as a root. ADMIN. So already I added my machine. So yeah, don't worry about it. Guys, 3 hard disks we are added. So ls space slash dev slash question mark, no, SD question mark. So you can see SDA, SDB, SDC, SDD. And also put another question mark. SDA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, right? So SDB, SDC, SDD. So these things we are going to use it. So first one name is like this, slash dev slash SDB, SDB. Okay. Same thing. Second one is slash dev slash SDC, because SDA is already used for a normal already used thing is there. Okay. So SDD like this. I use only two only, SDB, SDC only. I use it. Okay. First, these volumes you should tell to this volume. These two volumes you should tell there are physical volumes. So first create a physical volumes. pvcreate. So we'll see pvcreate slash dev slash SDB created SDC created successful. Next one. So pvcreate completed. Okay. The next one is volume groups. You should create volume group. I want to put a volume group name is like this. I want to put a volume group name is VG1. Very simple name. VG1. Volume group name is VG1. PVS. First PVS. You can see two physical volumes, SDB, SDC, LVM2 format, 100 GB, 100 GB, free, means not at assigned. You can also use pvdisplay. Also you can get it. Okay, so this is also you can see, but I'm not typing because the screen will go up like that. Okay, so what I'm just vgcreate. vgcreate. So vg1 slash dev slash SDB. Successful. I created a volume group name is VG1. So VGS, check it. So your volume group size is 100 only. Why? Because of added only one volume. So vgextend to add more disk into same volume group. SDC. Successful. Now you can see VGS. Okay, 200 GB. Earlier it is 100 GB. Now it is 200 GB. Two physical volumes are there. Two physical volumes are there. Okay. And also you can see PVS. Okay. Better to go with the PV display, VG display also. Okay. So totally my VG size is 200 GB. Okay. So I created a VG. So my VG size is 200 GB only. Okay. Now I want to create a logical volume. I want to create a logical volume. My logical volume is LV1. My logical volume is LV1. Okay. I want to create something maybe 2 GB. I'll create logical volume size is 2 GB. So command is lvcreate. Okay. lvcreate hyphen capital L hyphen capital L is logical volume hyphen N plus 2G. Okay. So we should give PG1 LV1. I think there is a mistake. Yeah, there is a mistake. What happening here? Yeah, I given correct only. So you should verify once. This will always hyphen L is correct, plus 2G is correct, plus N or one second, we'll see. LV create. This is how yeah, very good. Correct. Hyphen N, LV1, hyphen capital L, plus 2G, VG1. Okay, logical volume is created, LVS. 2GB volume is created. So you can see VGS. Okay, something is less here. Something is less here. So why? Because of 2GB volume is created. LV display also you can see. LV display also you can see it. So LV1 is created. LV1 is created. Okay. So LV1 is created. Now you want to put a data here. You want to put a data in this one. So how to put a data in this LV1? By mounting. So I will put a mounting L data folder or a L data 1 folder. Okay, LDA1 folder. Something I will create. So what I'm going to do is L data 1 folder. mkdir L data 1 folder. Logical volume LV data 1 folder. Okay, logical volume data 1 folder I created. But to mount it, you have to format. To mount it, you have to format it. So just for once, I will go to lvdisplay because we should know the name of the volume. This is the name of the volume. This is name of the volume. mkd make file system .ext4 and put this volume name. Okay, yes. Format is completed, and also I created a volume. Okay, so then mounting is left. So mount /dev slash vg1 lv1 to lv data 1 mounted cdf minus hyphen h f space hyphen h. See, mounting is done. Yeah, it shows mapper means because it's a LVM volumes, it shows like this only 2GB volume. Okay, ls space slash l data. Why? Okay, lv data, sorry, lv data 1. Okay, something is there. You want to put some data inside, you can create it. Okay, yeah, this is done, completed. Okay, so I'm going to only history to copy the commands only from pvcreate. Okay, so if you want to increase the volume, you can extend the next one also. You want to extend the volume like this. So first one, I created a physical volume for B and C, and also display. So compulsory guys, pvdisplay is also important command. I didn't do done. Okay, so vg create vgs vgs vs vgdisplay pvdisplay. This is wrong. Okay. Next, finally creating 100 GB, sorry, 2 GB volume. So VGS So LV display finally we created. So create a directory mount, verify mounting or not. Okay. This is not. And check it and create some files. So this is your logical volume manager. Because logical volume manager use it to combine the physical volumes together. So single physical disk we call it as a physical volume. The group of physical disk is volume group. Part of the group of volumes is logical volumes. You can create a number of volume groups also there. pvcreate to create the volume, vgcreate for creating volume group, okay, vgextend to add another physical volumes to your vgextended. Okay, lvcreate is a command to create logical volumes. Just lvextend, lvextend tune to fs, resize kind of stuff also there. Okay, that is I'm not going now, so that is required a time and a lot of energies. We can extend your logical volume size. I create 2 GB, I want to increase to 3 GB. I can do it. I can reduce it also, I can increase it also, but I'm not doing that one now. Guys, understand LV logical volume.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.